when you do intentional kingdom discipleship, it is what? Life to life, life transforming, lifestyle, and lifetime. Ulitin ko po yun. When you do intentional kingdom discipleship, it is life to life. Hindi po pwedeng gusto kong i-disciple ang family ko na hindi ko ibigay ang buhay ko. Buhay ko, panahon ko, resources ko. It is life transforming. Pag ginawa po natin to, magbabago ako, magbabago ang aking family. It is lifestyle. Yeah, maybe first, dapat natin iprograma. But later on, it will come naturally. Naturally. You try. I challenge us. And then, of course, lifetime, ito medyo mahirap. Commitment nga eh. Lifetime. Huwag tayong sumuko dahil kung susuko tayo sa ating mga pamilya, paano lang yung iba? As I've said, wala pong magmamalasakit sa ating pamilya tulad ng pagmamalasakit natin mismo sa ating mga sariling pamilya.